How to adjust padding on Wix. In order to do that, you can just head over and choose the strip. So I have in this strip, and in the strip, I have 3 columns. So in order to adjust the padding, just head over and click on one part of the column and click on this layout option. Now in here, you can see the column layout, but if you want, you can also just right click on that particular strip and then just head over and then click on the background option or the layout option on this one. From in there, click on this manage columns. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the proportions. So we have in here the proportion for 25 to 60, equal, and a lot more. So under that, you can see this padding. So for example, let's change the padding into 12. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. You can adjust it to your liking, and you should be able to do it yourself. So that's how you adjust padding on Wix. Hope we helped.